Hello everyone, let's look at the new features and changes for Windows 11 build 26300.7733 in the dev channel, but these changes also apply to devices enrolled in the beta channel with the release of build 26220.7752. Although the dev channel is in a different branch now, the beta channel is still getting the same changes because version 26H2 will be based on version 25H2 and it will be delivered as an enabling package that won't require reinstallation. So what's new in this release? The biggest addition in this rollout is Sysmon, or System Monitor, which was previously a separate install that you needed to download from the web and is actually part of the Sysinternals suite of tools. According to the company, System Monitor lets you capture system events to support threat detection, and you can use custom configuration files to filter the events you want to monitor. The captured events are saved on the Windows 11 event log database, enabling them to be used with security applications in a wide range of use cases. So this feature is currently disabled by default, and you need to enable it manually, and you will do that by the Windows Features page. In here, you will find a new item called Sysmon, and you need to check that. And once you check it, just click the OK button and it will be installed on the computer. However, you will not need to restart the computer. Now, you can also use command prompt or PowerShell using this command to enable the feature. Now, when you enable the feature on the device, you can run this command to complete the setup. Since this tool was previously part of the Sysinternals suite, if you have the web version installed on the computer, you will have to uninstall it before setting up the new version. In this release, voice access also expands to the Netherlands, and as part of the fixes, this preview build updates File Explorer, adding accessibility improvements, support for custom folder names, and missing tooltips for the Add Favorites option. Microsoft is also resolving an issue that caused apps to freeze when working with files on OneDrive and Dropbox, and also it addresses the issue where some Outlook setups with PST files on OneDrive could cause different issues. And that's it. Those were pretty much all the new features and changes that you're going to see on Windows 11 build 26300.7733 in the dev channel and on build 26220.7752 in the beta channel. Let me know in the comments what you think about these changes. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.